Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. This video is about how to create glowing effect using Photoshop. So let's begin. Open Photoshop in your computer. Then import the image. Zoom in a little bit. Select the quick selection tool from toolbar and make selection on your subject. Press and hold Alt button and drag over unwanted selections to remove. Resize the brush by pressing left bracket and right bracket on your keyboard. When the selection is complete, press Ctrl and J button twice to create two duplicate layer from the selection. Now change the blending mode normal to screen. Go to filter and convert for smart filters. Go to filter again. Then blur. And Gaussian blur. Set blur radius around 5 pixel. Click OK button. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate this layer. Double click on Gaussian blur and set blur radius around 40 to 50 pixel. Click OK button. Now press and hold Ctrl button and select these two layers. Right click and group from layers. Select the background layer and create a new hue and saturation adjustment layer. Now reduce the light. The adjustment layer is also a layer mask. Press D button to set background and foreground color black and white. Select the brush tool. And select a soft brush. Set the opacity and flow around 30%. Now brush to bring back the brightness on hand. Nothing is happening because I have to set foreground color black. Click on this icon to exchange the colors. Now brush again. Click on layer group. Change the foreground color. Select color from the subject. Now create a new layer. Now brush to make it looks realistic. And also brush around the edges. Now it looks so beautiful. And it's done. Here it's before and after. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.